In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay sales tax in QuickBooks Desktop. If you need to record a sales tax payment properly in QuickBooks Desktop, this process is straightforward once you know where to go. The key is to use the built-in sales tax payment window so QuickBooks can reduce your sales tax liability correctly and keep your records accurate. Start by going to the top menu bar and opening the Pay Sales Tax window. To get there, click Vendors, then Sales Tax, and then Pay Sales Tax. This is the main area where QuickBooks shows what you currently owe to each sales tax agency based on the sales tax you've collected. Once the window opens, look for the Pay From Account drop-down menu. Here, choose the bank account you want to use for the payment. It's important to select the correct account because this is the account QuickBooks will use when recording the check or payment. If your company has more than one bank account, take a moment to confirm you're using the right one before moving on. Next, enter the correct payment date. This date should reflect when the payment is actually being made. Right below that, use the Show Sales Tax Due Through field to choose the appropriate end date. This tells QuickBooks which sales tax liabilities should be included in the payment. In other words, you're defining the period you want to pay through, so make sure that date matches your filing or payment schedule. After that, review the list of tax agencies shown in the window. In the Pay column, check the box next to each tax agency you want to pay. Only mark the agencies included in this payment, and it's a good idea to quickly verify the amounts listed before continuing so everything matches your expectations. Then decide how you want QuickBooks to handle the payment document. If you plan to print a physical check, select to be printed. If you already wrote the check manually or want to enter a specific check number, leave that option unchecked so you can assign the check number directly. When everything looks correct, click OK. QuickBooks will generate the payment and automatically update your sales tax liability balances. That final step is what ensures your books reflect that the tax has been paid. And that's how to pay sales tax in QuickBooks Desktop. As a final tip, always double-check the dates, payment account, and selected tax agencies before clicking OK, since those details directly affect both your bank records and your tax reporting.